There is a beautiful moment in the gospel today. Jesus is sitting by a well at noon, tired from his journey. Then a Samaritan woman comes to draw water. Most people avoided her, but Jesus does not. He looks at her and simply says, "Give me a drink." You know, that simple request opens a life-changing encounter. Jesus tells her, "Whoever drinks the water I give will never thirst." He is not speaking about ordinary water. He is speaking about the living water of God's love and mercy. Jesus also shows that he knows her life, even her past, yet he does not condemn her. He speaks with kindness and truth, and that kindness touches her heart. The woman who came to the well ashamed lives with hope. She runs back to her town and tells everyone about Jesus. You know, this gospel reminds us that Jesus meets us in ordinary moments. He knows our story. He knows our struggles. He knows our past. And still, He offers us living water. So, if we come to Him with an open heart, He can change our lives too. Amen.